Hey there, kids. Today, let's talk about a fruit that's creamy, green, and super healthy, the avocado. Have you ever tried avocado on toast, in a smoothie, or even by itself? It's not just delicious, it's also packed with incredible nutrients. Let's find out why avocados are such a powerful snack for your body. First of all, avocados are loaded with healthy fats called monounsaturated fats. These fats are amazing for your heart because they help keep your cholesterol levels in check and support healthy blood flow. Eating avocados can help keep your heart strong and happy, so it's a great food to include in your meals. Avocados are also packed with fiber, which is super important for your digestive system. Fiber helps keep everything moving smoothly in your tummy, making sure you feel comfortable after eating. If you ever have a stomachache or feel full, the fiber in avocados can help make your tummy feel better. Next, avocados are a fantastic source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Vitamin E keeps your skin soft and glowing and is amazing for your hair, too. Eating avocados can help keep your skin looking fresh and protect it from things like sun and pollution. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which is great for your muscles and heart. Potassium helps your muscles move the right way and keeps your blood pressure healthy. Eating avocados can give your muscles the support they need after playing or exercising. And did you know that avocados have vitamin K, which helps keep your bones strong? This vitamin helps your body absorb calcium, which is important for building strong bones and teeth. So, kids, the next time you enjoy avocado on toast or in a salad, remember all the wonderful things it's doing for your body. Avocados aren't just creamy and delicious, they're a super healthy snack that helps your heart, tummy, skin, and muscles stay strong. Enjoy your avocados, and stay healthy. See you next time.